but it's expected to come back possibly today and also this week too.
Exactly. So we're going to be tracking that chance for a few of those showers and storms to bubble up later on this afternoon, especially back out towards the north and west, out towards the I-81 corridor, where we didn't really see much in the form of the rainfall earlier this morning. More storms are expected tomorrow, and then the big story will be the heat that builds in towards the end of the week. So we'll start to notice that heat really building in Wednesday, and then the end of the week is when we're going to be tracking near record heat. We're talking about those high temperatures, upper 90s by Friday, and when you factor in that heat index, it's going to feel like we're well into the triple digits at times. So something to keep in mind towards the end of the week. But as we're taking a live look over Hagerstown right now, we're seeing the sunshine breaking out, but closer towards DC as well as our eastern zones. We're still tracking mainly cloudy skies at this point, and that's what we're seeing on satellite and radar as well. So areas off towards the west, we are seeing that clearing. Areas eastbound, we did see more of those showers and thunderstorms earlier this morning, and now just tracking mainly the cloud cover at this point. Eventually those clouds will continue to be filtered out, but overall it's looking like we'll see more clouds farther off towards the east as opposed to farther back out towards the west. In terms of temperatures right now, 60s up and down the I-81 corridor. Aside from Hagerstown, we're coming in the low 70s. Currently 73 in DC, we are 71 in Fredericksburg, 76 currently in Lexington Park. We'll see those high temperatures back into the low to mid 80s, especially DC areas southbound. And that's where we'll likely see more of the clouds. Now we'll keep those temperatures a touch cooler. Then farther back off towards the north and northwest, we're talking about those high temperatures, mid upper 80s later on this afternoon, where we are going to be breaking out to more of that sunshine through much of the day. However, we'll start to notice a few showers and storms bubbling up where we are going to be tracking more of those hotter temperatures. That's back out towards the I-81 corridor and across northernmost parts of Virginia, even over towards north central Maryland. A few of those showers bubbling up, and a few rumbles of thunder cannot be ruled out later on this afternoon. But right around sunset, those showers and storms will continue to fade away. And as we look ahead towards tomorrow, as that low that's impacting us today, which is right over North Carolina right now, that's the reason why we're tracking the clouds and some showers. That low continues to move its way off the coast. That will still bring us that chance for some showers and storms as we get towards tomorrow afternoon. And then Wednesday is looking dry, but we're going to continue to notice that heat building in alongside some mainly sun-filled skies. So today and tomorrow, high temperatures varying into the 80s today, right around 90 tomorrow, and then we're looking at 94 degrees on Wednesday, and Wednesday is looking dry. But then Thursday and Friday, like I mentioned, we're tracking that heat building in. We're talking mid upper 90s Thursday, right into the upper 90s on Friday, and with that humidity in place, it's going to make it feel like we're well into the triple digits. So if you are going to be working outside Thursday and Friday, make sure that you are taking plenty of water breaks and making sure you're heading out into the shade to really cool you off. So with that heat building in, to make Thursday and Friday a DMV First Warn Day. That is why it's shaded in red. At least the weekend we'll see a little bit of relief in the form of some showers and storms. Those temperatures by next Monday back into the upper 80s. Shanika's back with another check of those roads.